But Father, I've got to ask, oh, I'm real concerned with what could happen, 'cause I miss her and wonder where she goes. If I can't be with her, then send her to the floor to cold. My eyes light up every time that you text me. I stay up late nights just in case that you need me, and every single time I pray you'll be okay, because I know you're hurt. You're putting up a fight and I won't sleep at night to keep you from crying, and every single time I pray you'll be okay. I'm trying so